measure the length of the pendulum.
You measure it top of the way.
Not.
Oh, are we supposed to
Stop
time
the
it?
thing.
You time 10 oscillations, so when it goes there, back to the start.
Oh, okay, wait, sorry.
You didn't realise that. You make it back that point, that's one.
Okay.
Time.
Can we just write down 98?
The timing?
You're going to wrap their whole presentation.
There's it.
7, stop at 10, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we'll start again. No, I think
Now, more of an album board.
Okay, everybody, go back to the classroom, please. Well, I'll talk about the experiment we just did. The reason the pendulum oscillated about the vertical exit is if the pendulum is displaced, the force of gravity pulls down on the pendulum. The pendulum starts moving down, and once it reaches the vertical line, it actually does not stop. It carries on, and the force of gravity tries to pull it back, but it slows it down and then stops and brings it back again, and it carries on